Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a camshaft position sensor. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a 10mm socket, a ratchet, and an extension to reach the sensor. A flathead screwdriver will also be helpful for disconnecting the electrical connector. Most importantly, make sure you have the correct replacement camshaft position sensor for your vehicle before you begin this repair. Having everything ready saves time. Now, let's locate the sensor. For this vehicle, the camshaft position sensor is typically found on the rear of the engine, near the firewall, on bank 1. Before you do anything, always disconnect the negative battery terminal to prevent any electrical issues. Once you've found the sensor, carefully use your flathead screwdriver to release the clip and unplug the electrical connector. Take your time to avoid damaging the wiring. With the connector unplugged, it's time to remove the old sensor. There's usually just one 10mm retaining bolt holding it in place. Use your ratchet and socket to carefully remove this bolt. Once the bolt is out, gently pull the old sensor straight out of its housing. It might be a little snug. Then, insert the new camshaft position sensor, ensuring it seats properly, and reinstall and tighten the 10mm bolt securely. Finally, let's wrap things up. Reconnect the electrical connector to the new sensor, making sure it clicks into place for a secure connection. Then, reattach the negative battery terminal. Start your vehicle and check for any lingering check engine lights or error codes. If the light persists, you might need to clear the codes with an OBD2 scanner. Also, be sure to check the description below for a link to a book that can truly change how you think about money, as well as other helpful deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.